Have you ever wondered how funny it is that scientists work in so many different ways to understand the world? Let's take a look at 3 fascinating kinds of scientists: the chemist, the astronomer, and the field biologist. Each has their own unique way to discover and explain the secrets of our universe. Imagine a chemist's laboratory, filled with glass beakers and flasks where mixtures bubble and sometimes glow with amazing colors. This isn't magic, it's chemistry. Chemists often work with reactions that cause controlled explosions of colors. Much like a real-life wizard, a chemist might mix different elements together in just the right way to produce those sparkly fireworks you see on New Year's Eve. In a room that might be quieter than you can imagine, a lone astronomer sits beneath a vast dome, gazing up at the twinkling stars through a giant telescope. Instead of fireworks, this scientist maps out the silence and spaces that stretch between stars. Astronomers are like cosmic cartographers, charting how distant galaxies move and shine. Though they don't craft fireworks, their maps of light and shadow help us understand the universe on the grandest scale, 1 light year at a time. Now imagine someone with a pair of boots worn from trudging across fields and forests. That's a field biologist, and their lab is as large as the planet itself. Unlike the chemist or astronomer, this scientist delights in the simple beauty of nature. Sometimes, discovering a new insect hiding under a leaf or watching a frog leap into a pond tells them more about life than the biggest textbook. Field biologists remind us that sometimes the most spectacular things in science are right under our noses, hidden in the tiny details of life on Earth. Though their tools are different, these scientists share a common goal: understanding and explaining our world. Microscopes used by biologists can reveal entire ecosystems living inside a single droplet of water. Equations that astronomers and chemists solve can predict not just movements of planets, but also health problems on Earth, such as epidemics. The secrets these scientists uncover can lead to new inventions and ideas that change our world, like creating medicines or finding new ways to conserve nature. Every time a chemist watches a bright, swirling reaction, an astronomer maps a star, or a biologist notes the behavior of a butterfly, they're adding pieces to the puzzle of our universe. They might use a petri dish to catch a sneaky germ, a spectrometer to read the music of the stars, or a simple notebook to jot down the dance of creatures in the wild.